Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Russell Designer. I hope you're doing well. Well, what's in common between Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Bill Gates? Well, they're all billionaires. You want to know their secret? You want to know how? So today I'm going to show you about how to be rich. I'm going to show you some secrets, some facts that every billionaires are using to become wealthy. Well, I'm going to tell you something. Money is a tool. Why? Because it giving you access to everything, like luxury products, high quality luxury products, and also high quality standard services. This is all you want, right? And I want that you become wealthy, and I hope that you will become happy. That's all I want. I want that you become happy. So before we start video, make sure you subscribe and like to my YouTube channel because there's a lot of things are going to come. And if you subscribe, you won't miss anything. So better to stick around and let's see what's going on because you always deserve it. Number 5. Education. Education is the key of success. Every billionaire has a degree. For example, Elon Musk has a Bachelor of Sciences and Arts degree. Jeff Bezos has a Bachelor of Science degree. So you will need a degree for getting out of poverty. I'm telling you, please do not give up school, because once you give up school, you miss the chance to become a billionaire. And I know that you can be a billionaire, and I know that you will make it. So when you go higher in education, the more higher salary is going to come and you will be wealthy. Okay, number 4, save money. If you save money, you will become rich. Try to spend less money as possible, but try to save more money. Buy quality stuff instead just the brand. And trust me, only 5% of people will just looking at you by the brand, but the 95% of people will look about the quality. Think about if you need that product. Like if you really need it and it's really important and you will die to get this product. So this is the right time to buy it. I strongly suggesting you to save $1 a day so you will see the difference. And don't forget to check about discounts and deals and sales because this is how you can save so much money on a quality product. Okay, number 3, books. Books are the best investment ever. You know, on my channel I talk so much about books, but there's a reason about why. You learn more things. You will learn so much thing. Knowledge is the key point. You will learn the path of someone else. You can read faster. Trust me, you will read faster. So maybe one page it will take you 10 minutes? Not bad, right? You will know about some secrets that billionaires say in their books. They never said anywhere else. They're just saying in their books. They're saying their secrets in their books. So you will know about their steps about how to be rich. Also, they read 100 books every year. So, how many books you read every year? Please tell me right in the comment below because I want to hear it. And what I love about reading books, you can read anytime and anywhere. You don't need to charge anywhere and anytime. Number 2, know who you are. Know about what you can do. Know your flaw. What are your talents? What you can do is try new things to see about who you are. For example, you can try to play piano. If you're able to play by practice, you can see your talent. And also, you can try so many things. You can try drawing, you can try to fly in helicopter, you can try to teach someone about what you know, about your experience. That's a lot of things you can do. And the number one, entrepreneur. I'm talking about so much about this thing, but you need to be an entrepreneur. I'm telling you. Why? Because every billionaire has their own company. Like, you know that Elon Musk owns Tesla and SpaceX, Jeff Bezos has Amazon, and Bill Gates has Microsoft. They're all founder of those companies, right? So you understand about you need to have your own company to grow your wealth. They never work for someone else. It's the time for producing something. You need to produce something to become rich. Set up a goal, achieve it. This is the whole thing, and this is the whole secret that I'm giving you. And don't forget, whatever it takes, you can make it, and I have your back. And also, don't forget to be the boss. So thank you so much. My name is Rossin Designer, and I hope that this video is helping you, and I hope that you will become a better person. That's all I want. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because there's a lot of things are going to come, and if you subscribe, you won't miss anything. So thank you so much. My name is Rossin Designer, and see you next time.